This is Victor FX giving you the analysis for the week. Yeah, the month is going to end on Monday. This is 30th of August, July, sorry. So the month is going to end tomorrow. So I'm going to be running down through the DXY and a couple of major pairs. I trade the major pairs only, so I'm just going to be focusing on the dollar pairs. There's the DXY analysis and a few of the dollar pairs. All right, so let's begin. For the DXY, I'm gonna do a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Okay, for those of you who have been following my mentorship class, I believe you must have heard about sometimes I use the fair value gap, the order block, rejection block, and a few of others. So those are the concepts I use actually, the smart money concepts. So from the monthly time frame, you can see how price almost fill a gap on the monthly time frame. Yeah, fill the gap of um from 2022 March April. You can see this is July, so it went down smoothly. Try to fill the gap, and it's been um coming higher from this point. So it reacted and bounced up from this point. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. You can see the market has been on a bearish institutional order flow. Yeah, you can see a lower lows and the lower highs forming. So what do we have here now? Last week was quite bullish. Yes, last week was quite bullish. I anticipated a bullish bias, despite the fact that the market really deceived people. Yeah, there was mitigation block somewhere around here. So many persons thought it was actually going to react here and go back down. No, I was patient enough to wait till Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, for Wednesday, Thursday to know the weekly bias of the market. Now when you go to the daily time frame, you can see how the market, yes, this was the mitigation block I was looking at. The market sort of kind of reacted on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It gave a there was a decline in the dollar index, but Thursday, boom, it went high, and Friday too, um going higher. So from where we had now, you can see, yes, last week I made a trade from this point. Yes, I bought from this point relating to the other major pairs. Yes, trying to compare, I bought from this point to this side. I think, yeah. I think on Friday I didn't trade, but from Thursday this was the move on Thursday. So because I had a bullish order flow, as long as the market was having higher highs, I anticipated a retracement up to this level where there was a gap to be filled, as you can see here. So and the market went higher and took out the hold high. Yeah, took out the hold out, found liquidity, took out this hold high and ended there. So you can see how precise it was actually. So you can see how it moves. So what do we have this week? What do we have this week? From the daily time frame, you can see, okay, from the weekly rather, you can see that it's still on a bearish flow, right? So, but at this point, we have an order block, a bearish OB. All right, so this might serve as a resistance to price moving higher. So I want to expect a movement here, a reaction of price at this level, which is the bearish order block, right? So I want to expect a reaction here. You can see I've underlined, this place has been annotated. So I want to see a reaction of price here. Yeah, so I'm just going to see how price reacts. If price gets still goes higher, I just want to see how it reacts. Perhaps we might have a move from this point downwards, right? Might have a move from this point downwards. So I want to see how market reacts. So I want to see how market reacts at this point. So I'm looking at this point as a reference point, as a PDRA where PDRA means premium discount. So I'm looking at this region where the if the price will definitely react. So Let's see if price reacts from this region. Probably comes here. Yeah, probably comes here. And sorry, my mouse is a little bit funny. I think I may have to. So, all right, let me just remove. Okay, so probably comes here. Probably comes here. Yeah, and bounces off here. Bounces off here. Yeah. So I just want to see how price reacts and likely bounces off towards the side. So I just want to see how price moves higher and comes back. All right. So that's let's see how it goes. So if price moves higher, I may want to get in the market here and look forward to it declining. Yeah, but if it doesn't, then I would have to analyze the market and know what else to do. So let's quickly go to the Euro USD. Now from the weekly we had from the weekly here you can see it's still on a bullish um institutional order flow. It's still quite bullish. It's quite bullish. You can see creating higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, so it's been bullish. And last week I had a bearish run from this side, from this point. I anticipated it. Yeah, from this point I anticipated a bearish week, and I made some profit here last week. So what do we have this week now? What do we have this week? You can see from the weekly time frame. You can see there seems to be a bullish order block here. So I expect price to react from this point. It's either reacts here or it comes to the main threshold of the bullish order block. So I want to see how price reacts here, and I expect price to react from this, at least give a bullish run. It's either it gives a bullish run going higher into weeks to come, goes higher, taking out this high, or probably going deeper, uh, taking out liquidity and likely coming here. Now, this is what we call uh, the propeller block, right? So we call the propeller because this is an order block and this is another order block. So I just want to see how market reacts here. But for now, I am neutral on EU. Though I might want to see on H4, you can see it's still on a bearish flow. So I may want to see the market probably react, come towards this side, and maybe sell to the other block here. And so I just want to see how the market reacts towards the side and downwards. Then then let's see how it goes. But for now, until the market breaks takes out this high, yeah, I remain bearish. In the meantime, all right, I remain bearish until the market takes off this high. Once it takes off this high, then I may look forward to EU going higher. But if it doesn't, if it reacts anywhere around there, I may be looking out for bearish opportunities from here towards entering into the other block seeking liquidity, right? So that's my prediction going into the new week and the new month. Now let's quickly go through EU. I'm out of time. I don't want to spend so much time. I'll be doing just two pairs, EU and GU for now. All right, because I don't want to take so much of your time. Yeah, so weekly time frame for GU. If you notice, I start from the higher time frame, right? So you when trading forex, usually trying to analyze your market, you have to respect the higher time frames, right? So the monthly time frame, you can see EU has been bullish, 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 bullish for about 2 months now. Yeah, so weekly, you can see it has a bullish order flow, right? There's an order block here. You can see there's an order block here, right? There's an order block here, and you can see price is just dipped in to the high of the bearish candle, right? To the high of the bearish candle, all right, which is the point of the other block. Now I expect GU2 to go up as well, but there might be some liquidity, right? So there might be some liquidity probably to the open to the close of the or sorry, to the open of the bearish candle. Yeah, there might be um a deep a liquidity rate to the open of the bearish candle. So let's see how it goes on the daily time frame. I want to say, okay, let's go to the H4. I'm still bearish here still. Yes, I sold this pair as well last week. So I want to see how markets probably when it gets to this point. There's an OB here, high here. So I want to see how market reacts here. I still want to be, I'm still bearish on EU, right? Until there is a change in market structure to the upside. So I want to see how market goes down, dips in here, probably, or if it doesn't, if this high is rated, yeah, retraces, we might likely see a push higher because of the bullish order flow on the D1. Yeah, you can see it's been creating higher highs and higher lows. So as long as the market remains above this region, it's still bullish. Until it breaks down, then we might have a totally um, entire reversal. All right. So that's what I can say about EU and GU. So for now, we just keep our fingers crossed. Still bearish on EU, still bearish on GU until the market takes out the highs of last week. Yes, until it takes out the highs of last week. All right. So for now, just keep your fingers crossed. Trade safely. Always use a stop loss. Um, with good risk management. All right. Don't over leverage your account. Don't take too much risk. Yeah. So see you some other time. You can join the group chat, the Telegram, on the WhatsApp group that we pasted on the links will be pasted on the description. All right, so you can join, follow up on our weekly trades, free forex ideas. We'll be sharing with you, okay, what we think about the market, how you can handle the trades in the market, how you can handle the volatility in the market. All right, just keep following us, and you'll get more insights. Okay, into the market. So thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. As I said, I wasn't going to take so much of your time. Yeah, and thank you for watching up to this time. See you next week, and have a safe trade and have a good trade altogether. Thank you.